Guys, so if you look into my screen, you see balance is 10,000 naira, and if you scroll down you're going to see my name, see Barnabas Ama, and balance is 10,000 naira. If you're going to scroll down you're going to see, so this is a live account here, this is my account. You see this is my account right here. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually made this money you're seeing right here, 10,000 naira. And if I come over to this account, you're also going to see this is the balance, my video mine point 1050 naira. And if I also scroll down, you see my account type is affiliate here, and you see this is my live dashboard here. I want to show you guys a payment proof because I know someone will be asking, okay, is it possible to withdraw with this platform? Yes. Now if you look at this right now, you're going to see this is a transaction Sunday January 9, and you're going to see a payment right here from video mine. You're going to see credit of 10,000 right there. All right, yeah, if you also check right here, you're going to see another payment. Let's go, you're going to see another payment also. This is a payment coming from video mine as well. All right, this is video mine payment, and 12,885 naira right there. You can see it, guys. So this platform is actually working. So before I proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. So my name is Barnabas Ama, and I make money online. I make most of my money online, and this is my channel right here. So what I want you guys to do is that watch this video to the end. All right, like this video and leave me a comment. Okay, ask any question if you have questions there, and I will be there to answer all your questions. So let me quickly show you some of the results that we're getting making money online. So guys, you can see this is my email here. This is some of the accounts, some of the platforms I promote. Okay, if you look at this, it says hey Barnabas, view details of the money you received. And if we open the email right here, you're going to see they say you have a reward, and I got this me right here. If you look, this is my name here, Barnabas Ama, and I got a payment from Citizen Me, a company. This is about 12 British pounds. It's not much, but I actually make some of these monies almost every second. If you look at this, this is from PayPal, and also this is another money a refund. I sent someone money from PayPal, and the refund sent me a refund, and this is January 9. If you look at this is January 9. Look at the date here, and look at the payment, look at other payment you sent. Here's your receipt. This is from PayPal. So guys, if you also come over to my main account here, this is my other email, you're going to see how I withdraw to my local bank account. I think this money I got some days ago. This is January 10. If you look over here, you're going to see this is January 10, and I got a credit of 13,000 naira here from one of the platform here in Nigeria. Actually, look at this is from my email, bounce.sales@gmail.com. And okay, these are all payments I sent, and this is from another person. I sent 32 pounds here. So now that you've seen that I'm actually doing this, I actually make money online. What I want you guys to do right now for me is, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to Side Income TV, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you are going to be among the first persons to watch the video and implement all that I'm going to be teaching this channel, so you can make money. I teach affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and even high income digital skills. So guys, the platform we're going to be talking about today is called video mine technology. Yeah, so like you guys already know, before I publish any video here about any platform, I actually do my research. So I've done my research, I've actually created an account here, and I've made some money. I've also been able to cash out to make withdrawals. So we're going to be going through how to make money with this platform, and I want to say something about this platform right here. First of all, to sign up on this platform, you cannot go out there and create an account, okay, because you have to buy a coupon code. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the first 5 persons that are going to sign up on this platform after watching this video. So what you're going to do is I will leave my number in the description below. All right, so just send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'm going to respond, and I'm going to get a coupon code for you. The first 5 persons, I'm going to be doing a bonus for you guys. So guys, video mining actually has two systems. We have the single affiliate and we have the MLM structure. All right, yeah, so I'm going to be talking to you about the two systems. Now for the single affiliate accounts, because when you want to sign up you have to get a coupon, and you have to get any of the accounts you choose if you want to go for the single affiliate or you want to be in the MLM structure. All right, and I'm going to be telling you about the bonuses, what you stand to get, all right, working on video mine. So for the single affiliate, and the sign up, you see here the sign up is 2,000 naira. All right, you're going to get a coupon for 2,000 naira, and what do you stand to gain? You watch videos daily, and you have a minimum of just one video to watch daily, and you're going to be making 160 naira watching videos daily. You just watch a video daily and you make 160 naira. And sharing posts, they also have a post to share, which is 200 naira. This is what you are going to earn, and every day you log in you're going to be making 100 naira. All right, yeah, so this earnings, watching video, sharing posts, and daily posts, daily login gives you 460 naira daily. This is what you stand to gain every day. All right, yeah, so also there's another bonus or how to make money, which is by referrals. You get 1,400 immediately someone signs up with your referral link. All right, once you get someone to pay 2,000, you're going to get 1,400 in your wallet immediately. All right, so someone will ask, okay, is it possible to withdraw on this platform? Yes. All right, so imagine you signing up with 2,000 naira and you are making 460 every day. In less than 5 days you're already making over 2,000 naira. All right, you're making like 3,000 naira. So if you have referrals, you are going to make a lot of money. So for the withdrawals, yes, when you have video mine balance, which is the money you make from sharing videos, sharing posts, and your daily login, you are only allowed to withdraw on the 25th of every month. You can only withdraw on the 25th of every month. All right, yeah, but then if you have referrals, at least up to 3 persons, you can withdraw. Imagine you start today and you get referrals, you have someone that sign up with your link. Immediately you can withdraw on Wednesdays and Sundays in the single affiliate account. Okay, withdrawals is done between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. on Wednesdays and Sundays. So how it happen, what's going to happen is that once you register your account and you have money in your video mine balance, that you have points, the point, and then you have referrals, both of them are added together, and you can withdraw on Wednesdays and Sundays, and you are paid immediately. I've already showed you guys payment proof. All right, that we withdrew on Sunday. People are already making money from video mine technology. So I'm going to jump into my screen and do a recording and show you how to watch a video and earn the money from watching videos and sharing your post. Okay, so with that said, guys, let's go to my screen now. I'm going to share my screen with you guys and show you right away. But don't forget, my WhatsApp number is going to be in the description. As long after this video, you are going to just send me a message, okay, and I'm going to get a coupon code for you, and you're going to register your account. So guys, if I come over to my screen right here, you're going to see, let's take things slowly. Let's see how we can actually make some money daily. All right, so if you see, my balance is reading here 1,500 450 video mine points. Okay, so first of all, listen carefully and follow me, and guys, make sure you watch this video to the end, so you're going to see I'm going to make this money. So you click on your dashboard here, you click on watch videos. All right, then you see this get entertained and motivated while earning. Click on the three lines here. So you come over here again and click on watch videos, allow it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, get entertained and motivated while earning. So we're going to scroll down here. Let's scroll down. We'll pick any video. Okay, let's choose this days of claiming incentive. So we're going to choose that sponsor video. You look at it, so you scroll down to where you see the video. Just, you can copy the link of the video and watch it, or you can click, I think we'll click on the video right now. So guys, it will direct you to YouTube. Just take a look at this. This is from video mine. We'll go back to video mine and we're going to reload our screen, and we're going to go back to profile right now to see. So boom guys, you can see my earnings has actually increased. So guys, if you look at my earnings here, this is 1900. Remember I had just a 1450 right here. So this is how things are done here, and I told you you're going to be making 450 daily. All right, yeah. So this is how to watch videos every day and you're going to be making money. So guys, this is the best video about video mine. You can also share this video with your friends, with every other person who you want them to join the video. So guys, this is the Mlm structure. If you look at this, you see Mlm's account, and I have here 10,000 naira. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how this works and how you can also make this amount of money right now. So pay attention, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to show you right now. So good day miners, good news once again for miners. We'll read all of this. So this structure, how it works is very simple. You join also with a token of 2,000 naira, right? And you are to complete a circle to make 10,000 naira, which you can do it in one day. I actually did mine in less than 24 hours, guys. It's just 6%. So what you need to do is, if you register, you're going to register just 2 persons. They also register with 2,000 naira, and immediately those 2 persons get their 2 people, you are going to withdraw 10,000 naira. Guys, if you check, that's just 8,000, but you are going to withdraw 10,000 naira. And for MD, this structure, you withdraw every day. You can actually withdraw this money right now if you get your 10,000 naira. So we're going to look at the benefits of this structure. Is that you work with a team and you earn continually, you earn through spillover, blah blah blah. Then prices below: once you complete cycle 7, you win a rechargeable standing fan. All right, rechargeable standing fan, look at it here. You win a rechargeable standing fan. That's complete cycle 7, meaning that immediately you get 2 persons, and the 2 people also get their 2 persons. You're going to withdraw 10,000 naira first. That's cycle 1. Once you enter again, you do it for 7 times, you're going to get this as a bonus. Complete cycle 14 and you win a home theater. 21 and you win Techno Infinix device. And this is it guys. If you scroll down, you look at it. All right, win complete cycle 200 and win a trip to Dubai. Okay, you're going to be going to Dubai. Either you get it delivered to you and delivery is to your doorstep, or they pay the cash equivalent to your bank account. So guys, that is it for this video. I'm leaving my WhatsApp number for you guys down there. Message me and I'm going to give you your coupon code for your registration, and I'm also going to leave the link to the 2 structures in the description. If someone referred you to this video to watch, just go back to them and continue to do your registration. Yeah guys, and if you're also interested in affiliate marketing, check the link in the description guys. All right, and you will go watch the video, also implement the strategies I have there. With that said guys, for now, peace. I'll see you in my next video.